Yorana. Welcome back to the island of Moorea on French Polynesia. We are now in our 6th week here and we feel right at home. And today for Tasty Tuesday, I'm going to tell you about the national dish of French Polynesia called Poisson Cru. It's kind of like a ceviche, although you don't cook the fish in the lime juice as long as you do in a ceviche. The fish is pretty raw when you eat it, but there is lime juice in it, and the most wonderful ingredient is local coconut milk. This is fresh squeezed just this morning or possibly last night. Doesn't last very long. You can make your own, of course, but you can also buy this all over the place because everybody eats Poisson Cru every day. We've had it multiple times in restaurants, just about everywhere we've been, and we also learned to make it in our cooking class with the food cook lab here on Moorea. So I'm going to show you how we make it. So this is our beautiful ahi tuna. Traditionally, Poisson Cru is made with reef fish, but today you always see it with ahi tuna. This is white ahi. Red ahi is also available on the island. Both are inexpensive and abundant. So again, traditionally, this ahi would have been soaked in seawater. I'm not that comfortable scooping seawater out, so I am putting just plain water in here. I'm going to cover the ahi tuna like that, and we're just going to add some sea salt. That's about 2 teaspoons, and that's going to soak for just a minute while I tell you about the other ingredients. When you order this in a restaurant or when you're making it yourself, you want to make it to order. You don't want to make it ahead of time. So it needs to be fresh and just really right out of the water. So our ingredients are, we have about, I don't know, a 1/4 cup of chopped onion and 1 small garlic clove. And by the way, if you look up a recipe for this, you will find all kinds of versions. Some even have green pepper in it, some have, I don't know, all kinds of stuff. But this is the way we learned to make it. So a little bit of onion, a tiny bit of garlic, some grated carrot, some grated cucumber. This ends up being very much like a salad. We're going to serve it with crackers and have it for our lunch today. And this is a very small tomato. And now we're going to put in our tuna. I'm going to actually just pour this right onto the picnic table since it goes right through. Get that out of the way. Our Poisson Cru, our poisson. You can get it half and half. Beautiful. Ooh, what a nice lunch this is going to be. And now the coconut milk, which is really sweet, just a lovely texture. Some places we've had this with a lot of coconut milk, and some places not quite so much. And finally, the lime. And one more. This is a national dish of French Polynesia, Poisson Cru. It reflects both the local Polynesian cuisine and the French influence here on the islands in the South Pacific. We're going to eat this now and enjoy it for our lunch. Super easy, super delicious, super healthy. You should try this at home. See you later.